In the next 5 minutes, we're going to learn a simple breathing technique that's going to help you calm your nervous system, reduce stress, and bring you into the present moment. This is a technique that you can use anywhere, anytime, and we're going to go through it several times in the course of this video so you know exactly how to do it. It's a technique I've used myself many times. Even when I'm in a stressful situation, I'll take myself out of that situation by using this breathing technique. So let's get started. So first we're going to get nice and comfortable. If you want to do what I'm doing, you can get a pillow from your sofa, cross your legs, sit on the floor. If that's not comfortable for you, you can choose to sit in a chair. This can be an office chair if you want, in the middle of the day, it's not a problem. Or alternatively, you can lie on the floor or your bed, wherever you want, as long as you're nice and comfortable. Next, what we're going to do is we're going to find a comfortable position for our hands. So we are on your knees, on your lap, by your side, whatever feels natural for yourself. Once you've found a comfortable position for your hands, you're going to relax your shoulder, relax your jaw, relax your hands. Just get nice and relaxed and start noticing your natural breath. Don't change your breath at all, just notice how you're breathing. For myself, in through my nose, out through my mouth, nice and calmly. Just observe your breath for now. We're going to be using the 4-7-8 breathing technique. It's simple. Breathe in through your nose for the count of 4, hold for the count of 7, and then exhale through your mouth for the count of 8. This pattern activates your parasympathetic nervous system. This is the body's natural calm down mechanism, and we're going to take full advantage of that today. I'll guide you through 5 rounds today. I'll count for you, so all you need to do is breathe with me. So now let's get started with 5 rounds. We're not going to stop, we're just going to go all the way through the 5 rounds. So pay attention to my count and keep that breathing pattern going. Let's begin. Breathe in, 2, 3, 4. Hold, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Breathe in, 2, 3, 4. Hold, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Breathe in, 2, 3, 4. Hold, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Breathe in, 2, 3, 4. Hold, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Breathe out, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Breathe in. Last round. In, 2, 3, 4. Hold, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Breathe out, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, slowly return to your normal breathing pattern. Let's take a moment now to notice how we feel. Compared to how we started, hopefully we're a lot more relaxed now. You just completed day 1 on your 30-day self-care challenge journey. Well done. It's a real achievement. Here's what I want you to remember. Your breath is always with you. Anytime you're starting to feel stressed or overwhelmed, just take a step back and talk yourself through this simple technique. It's always available for you. Even 2 or 3 rounds are going to help you massively and help you calm yourself down and relax your body slightly. Tomorrow, in the 30-day self-care challenge, we're going to go through some gentle body movements to help you reconnect with your body. But for now, celebrate this little win. You showed up for yourself, and that's a great start to your self-care. Thank you, and well done.